Welcome you all to a very nice exponential problem. 2 to the power 11 plus 2 to the power 12 plus 2 to the power 13 plus 2 to the power 14. We are supposed to simplify this expression but without using calculator. So let's get started and see how we can solve it without using calculator. But before starting, you are requested to please thumbs up if you like the solution. We can write this expression as 2 to the power 11 as it is, plus 2 to the power 12 can be written as 11 plus 1. Similarly, 2 to the power 11 plus 2 and 2 to the power 14 as 2 to the power 11 plus 3. Now we are going to write it as 2 to the power 11 as it is, plus 2 to the power 11 times 2 to the power 1 plus 2 to the power 11 times 2 to the power 2 plus 2 to the power 11 times 2 to the power 3. What we have done here, we use product of a power rule. That product of a power rule says if a raised to power m times a raised to power n, then this is equal to a raised to power m plus n. So using that rule, we split the powers. We are going to take the 2 to the power 11 as common. So what we are left with? Here we are left with 1 plus, here we have 2 to the power 1 plus 2 to the power 2 plus 2 to the power 3, 2 to the power 11 times 1 plus 2 to the power 1 is 2, 2 to the power 2 is 4 plus 2 to the power 3 is 8. 2 to the power 11 times 1 plus 2 is 3, 3 plus 4 7, 7 plus 8 is 15. Now we are going to split this 2 to the power 11 as 2 to the power 10 plus 1. 2 to the power 10 plus 1 times 15, which is equal to 2 to the power 10 times 2 to the power 1 times 15. We know that 2 to the power 10 is 1024 times 2 to the power 1 as 2 times 15. Now we are going to do the rest part over this right hand side. 1024 times 2 is 2048 times 15, which is difficult to solve. So we are going to split 15 as 10 plus 5. And in the next step, we will multiply 2048 by 10 and 5. This is equal to 20,480 plus 2048 multiplied by 5 is 0, 4, 24, 10. 10,240. And after adding, we get 30,720, which is the final and required answer. So this expression is equal to 30,720. I hope you find this solution easy. If so, please thumbs up and share it with your friends. If you have any question, write in the comment box.